Good morning guys. In Windows, if you're facing an issue when you do a scroll down in Windows folder, then it is automatically getting back to the top after a few seconds. If you're facing this issue, then this video shows how we can resolve this issue. Let's start the video without delay. Before that, do subscribe to the channel and watch till the end. Let's start the video. If you're inside a folder and doing a scroll down, after a few seconds the scroll would reach to the top. For example, you can see in this folder I am scrolling down. Yes, after a few seconds you can see, now you can see the scroll had reverted back to the top of the folder. Let's do one more example. You can see in this folder also I'm doing a scroll down. After a few seconds again, the scroll has reverted back to the top. So this is a little bit annoying for the user. In terms of user experience, user is never expecting this. So in order to prevent this, what we can do is just open settings. There you can see there is icon for personalization. Click that. When you click that, a new window will be opened. There inside that you have to select color section. When you select color section, you can see there is a checkbox for automatically pick an accent color for my background. You can see it is already checked. If it is already checked, you just uncheck that checkbox. That's all. And close the settings window. Now do a scroll down on your folder. Do it. You won't get that issue anymore. By just unchecking the color settings, you can definitely resolve this issue. So guys, that's all in this video. In this video has seen how to resolve the scrolling issue in Windows folder. If you're in doubt, write in the comment section. If you like this video, press the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.